In this short video, I'm going to show you the very basics of editing for complete beginners like me. So I've taken one of my YouTube videos and I've downloaded it and I've put it here into DaVinci Resolve. Okay, let's start off by discussing the razor blade tool, this right here. So I'm going to left click this. This allows you to cut your clip. So let's say we want to focus on just this part of our video. So I want to delete all of this. So I'm going to left click where the line is. Notice the razor blade, it means I'm in razor blade mode. So left click. And now you want to delete this. So now you have to click this little arrow. It's like the selection tool. Then come back over here, left click this, and then just press delete. Boom, it's gone. So now we can just focus on this. So now that you know how to cut stuff, let's say you want to just focus on a specific piece. So what you could do is you could use this piece here. You can left click on this and hold it, and you can zoom in and out. You see, so let's say I want to cut right here. And let's say I want to do another cut here, and just for fun, another cut here. So we have multiple cuts. So how do you drag the clips around? Well, you go back to your selection tool. You can left click and drag, left click and drag, left click and drag. So really useful. So now you can move stuff around, you can take stuff out of your video, and you can zoom in and out. What if you want to copy a clip and repeat it? What you can do is just click on it, left click, and then Control C on your keyboard, and then Control V will paste it. Control V, Control V. If you want to cut a clip, like let's say that I want this clip over here. So what I can do is I can drag all of these out of the way like this. Okay, and then I can come over here and I can drag it back. Or I can click it and press Control X, and what that does is it cuts. Then I come over here and then Control V, and it puts it at the beginning of the little line thing. So this lets you cut, right? So cut. This lets you grab and drag, right? And then and then Control C is to copy, Control V is to paste, Control X is to cut. If you mess up, like if you do something like this, like, oh, what's going on? Control Z is your best friend. Control Z is your best friend. Control Z is undoes in Windows. So anytime you mess up, just Control Z and life is good. I'm going to highlight all of this and I'm going to click delete. And let's finish our video. Let's say we've done some work. We've made it awesome. Click on the rocket ship. I like to click on YouTube, and then I gave it a name. Be aware of what you save it. Be aware of your resolution. Click add to render queue. And then just click start render over here. And you have your first edited video. Make sure to check out my playlist for more videos on editing. Good luck.